Architecture 1. Do you love watching shows about interior design and architecture? Then this is the class for you. You will learn about interior design and aesthetics as it relates to design and architecture around the world. You'll learn how to draw floor plans, create mood boards to include textures, colors, and visual elements to represent your favorite design styles. As your final project, you will design a one-story home.
Video technology. This course provides students with an insight into the film industry, with it exploring many aspects of cinematography, such as the effects of lighting, proper recording techniques, editing, and much more. Students will be assigned projects that involve experimenting with different genres of film and editing techniques. Students will create independent and collaborative projects during this course.
Design and drawing for production. This course emphasizes creative problem solving and technical drawing using Autodesk Inventor and fabrication of student-designed projects. Students explore principles of engineering, physics, and materials processing while enjoying a hands-on experience. Students will be utilizing the many tools and machines in the shop to complete their projects.
Computer Repair 1 and 2. Students will learn about the basics of modern computer repair, including many different hands-on experiences and basic IT.